So this is an outcome of the S&P 500 after the FOMC interest rate announcement. We gave a YouTube video on announcing our expectations that we will see S&P 500 at 4150, which was near the high of the day, and eventually it made itself lower in the case of a 25 basis point hike. So you see the S&P 500 work its way lower and eventually hit a level 1 bearish, which is our key support slash resistance. Now let's rewind back in time, and this is a clip where I officially give my expectations for scenario number 2 on what could happen to the S&P 500 if there's a 25 basis point hike. Now, second scenario is what if there's a 25 basis point hike? Now, in this situation, the market, we believe, will break 4100 and we will break today's low. We could possibly see 4050. Now, in this event, you have the opportunity to play both sides of the market. You can definitely play the upside temporarily and the downside as well. We expect a 25 basis point hike to be a very choppy market and one that is extremely volatile of both sides. So you definitely want to be careful of your key gamma levels and watch out for all situations to happen. But we do give the edge to the downside, but we do see an initial pop that will occur with a 25 basis point hike. So the key thing here is you want to watch how banks are moving in reaction to another 25 basis point hike. So there was a little bit of a pronunciation error earlier where I mentioned 4050 instead of 4150 being the high of the day. Well, if you look at scenario 1, just as a more confirmation where there's a 25 basis point hike, I mentioned that most likely the key range would be 4150 all the way to the top, and that will pretty much be the key inflection point to short the market. I also gave this information to my free Discord 15 minutes prior to the interest rate announcement and shared it on Twitter. So this highlights our education and our guidance on how we can effectively manage and also read key policy arrows and give an instruction plan on how we can navigate the market. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let's get that money.